name is Charity Wainaina. I head marketing for the Old Mutual Group, Uap-Old Mutual Group. Mine to speak about Faulu is a pleasure because Faulu is a business that I've worked with for 10 years. I was previously heading marketing for Faulu, and in the absence of Charles Njuguna, I hope I'll be able to represent well enough a few issues about Faulu. Faulu, that was set up 23 years ago, has been in the business of serving what we will say has been the bottom of the pyramid, but as of 2008, Faulu then made a strategic decision to move into deposit taking, and with this we moved into a different season where we now had to go back to the market and ask for deposits other than just giving out loans. And currently Faulu stands as the second largest microfinance bank in the country after Kenya Women Finance Trust, with over 400,000 customers that we are serving, specifically focused in the micro, small, and medium enterprises. Right now, we'll say that as a bank, Faulu has 45 fully fledged banking halls and over 100 outlets across the 43 counties that we have. Our loan book stands at about 15 billion, and we have a deposit book of around 14.5 billion. We want to thank our partners that are in here this morning because, as you understand, Faulu's focus has been the lower end of the market who tend to borrow much, but we do require deposits to be able to run this business. And our partners here this morning want to thank you for the support and the trust that we have put in the business to be able to support us to lend this to the other to the rest of the market.
What's most interesting about our merger with Old Mutual is the fact that literally we were so complementary that each of the partners, Old Mutual with Faulu coming with banking, life insurance, assets management, that they are very good at. And on the other side, UAP coming with what we have known how to do best, and that is insurance. The reality is what we are providing is a platform that gives you everything that you require. Now, I know that you have been there for us. We've grown a lot, and we've grown together. We have made strides that if you look back a few years ago, even we wouldn't have thought we would have been able to achieve. And I want to thank you so much for working with us during that journey. I am sure that those who are in Old Mutual would say the same, and I think we say thank you. Those who are with Faulu, the same thing, because that, I think, is where we need to start. We've come a long way, and we have achieved a lot, but I think what lies before us is even bigger. And this merger is about trying to make it even better.
This asset management business started in 1920. For those of you who know the Kimathi Street building, that's an old Mutual building. And what has happened subsequently? We've come together. We're going from 30 billion shillings in 1997. And today, as I stand in front of you, I am officially managing 150 billion shillings. Isn't that impressive? Kenya has 52 stocks that are trading actively. What does that mean for you? You can now get the opportunity and a partner who is outside this country. We can cover East Africa for you. We can bring those opportunities home for you and give you the opportunity to do well in this market. So for me, it's an exciting time when I listen to James talking about the opportunity to grow, because what does it mean for me again? More money. So Greater Together for me has a passion that resonates from me being as an individual, but also for me as a business.
My name is Jane Mwangi, as you were just told. I am a financial advisor with Old Mutual. Now, as a financial advisor at Old Mutual, what we have been being good at is doing life business in terms of life assurance, investments, selling pension, individual pension, Now, many a times, when we go out into the market, we are very good prospectors, and we get very, very good clients, prospective clients, whom we normally convert. However, when we are out there, we get into a situation, because after we do financial planning, we do needs analysis. We find that clients have some needs. And it dawns onto us that probably we can only offer 1 or 2 solutions. We have been looking forward to this day when we can just go back now to our clients and tell them, here I am. And now I can offer all these needs because we have them in our basket.
My name is Joyce Gitao. I head business development for UAP Investments. As coming together, we'll be able to benefit as the advisors, as a direct sales force, financial advisors. Each one of us will be able to give a client a sound advice without being biased. Because what has been in the market, you realize you're not giving the client what they require, but you're just telling them so that to meet your objectives and to meet your targets. So coming in as a group, the Uap-Old Mutual Group will benefit the client in this way.
I think it's important as we go through this integration journey that we continuously engage with our partners, with our clients, so that you understand where we are in the process, where we want to take the combined business, and what that means for you. At an overall level, our view is that the way to succeed in this market as it is shaping up, certainly in financial services, is to offer the whole spectrum of financial products and services under one roof and create a financial supermarket, a one-stop shop. Because if you think about the level of insurance penetration or the level of financial access across the region, not just in Kenya, if you have the complete offering, then your ability to attract customers and to serve those customers, create a relationship with them and their trust, and then be able to offer them more and more products, to cross-sell to them, is certainly a strategy that we think makes sense. And that is why we want to create an integrated financial services business.
My name is Isaac Nzioka. I'm the Group MD for the medical business. And for our business, we are equally excited, as my colleagues have talked about, of this new dawn that is emerging of our organization. As I've mentioned earlier, is that we see great opportunities in being able to provide this market with even more superior solutions because of what this new organization, Uap-Old Mutual, brings to our market. This integration, like I said, UAP brings in the local understanding and knowledge and experience with the market. That's on the medical side. And the Old Mutual brings in the resources. Alfred talked about, big numbers. How do those translate to us? To us as our market, our customers, is that we're able to do more, to do greater stuff, because now we will have the ability to do that. We're just about to start rolling out a new IT platform that will enable us to, even pay the claims in one day, like you're asking, and many other great things that we'll be able to do. So my vote of thanks starts with you, our business partners. I know we have our customers here. Some have already, say who they are. We have our partners in distribution. We have our brokers. We have our agents. We have our independent financial advisors. We have our tied independent, financial advisors. We have our suppliers and other business partners. And we would like to say a big thank you for honoring our invitation. Thanks a lot, and enjoy the rest of your day.